During my term as Sikyong, I have met many young Tibetans from around the world who have the passion and the drive to work for the cause of Tibet. Yet many of them have expressed the lack of a formal platform to share their ideas with other young fellow Tibetans. Hence, CTA has created the 550 Youth Forum to bring about younger generation from around the world to Dharamsala to share their visions and learn about the Tibetan movement.
The 550 Youth Forum provides a unique opportunity for young Tibetans across the globe to converge in the beautiful town of Dharamsala, the headquarters of Central Tibetan Administration.
But more importantly, to deliberate on CTA's 550 vision, shape Tibet's political future, and strengthen the Tibetan freedom movement.
The 550 Youth Forum is a confluence of young, bright minds to voice their concerns, share their ideas, and learn from one another while discussing the challenges and opportunities facing the Tibetan freedom movement.
The forum will feature plenary and breakout sessions, social evenings, crochet nights, site visit, hiking, and most importantly, a blessed opportunity to listen to His Holiness the Dalai Lama's advice.
The plenary session will bring together speakers and representatives from CTA, private sector, government, academia and civil society to engage in a plurality of views on how to best implement the 550 vision.
The breakout session delves into discussions about chalking out strategic action plans on how to maximize the potential of the Tibetan youth in shaping Tibet's political future.
The gathering of young Tibetans who hold the mantle of Tibet's future is important so as to design and define the role of youth in implementing the 550 vision.
We look forward in welcoming you all to Dharamsala and help in chalking an action plan for the 550 vision.
I encourage you to apply to the 550 Youth Forum because it is time that our younger generation becomes the leaders of today and not just tomorrow. Thank you.